All right, real quick before I head home, I was like, you know what? I got the street tires here. Why not throw the street tires on and run it with the eRay here in the quarter mile? So that's what I'm gonna do. One pass, street tires, no drag radials, the street tires only, all four corners, run the quarter mile and see what it does. So the weather's nice and cooler right now. It's still not perfect, but the DA is terrible, but it's all good. I'm gonna run it like this. So we'll see how it does. Alrighty, I'm gonna get this party started.
That's an experience in winning out like each one of these runs, just so you know. Alright, we got a Corvette.
Good to go?
Get it, bro.
Thank you. Alrighty, so we're about to go here. About to go. Let's turn off the AC. Why does the AC always want to turn on? It wants to keep me nice and cool. All right, so this is going to be a street tire run. My only street tire run of the night, because I don't care about running street tires on a drag strip. But I'm here and I was about to leave and I'm like, I got the street tires on. I was like, I might as well just run it, screw it. We'll see how it does. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna run the street tire. Am I gonna run anybody? Single? Single? All right, single pass, so could be me. I got my sport mode on. There we go. That's a street tire run for you right there. It actually hooked and went pretty good for a street tire run. So there you go. For those who want to see street tires run on a drag strip, there you go. It's a street tire run. We'll see what it ran. It actually hooked pretty decent. I'm almost like, I was like, dang, wish I would have had my drag radials on for that run to see what happened. Obviously, it's a little bit cooler outside now it's 74 degrees versus the 80 something it was earlier when I was running the drag radials. But my family wants to go. They want to go back home right now. They've been out all day, so it's all good. So wait, let's see how this went. Let's see what a street tire, stock street tire, stock everything on this car does on the quarter mile. Thank you so much. All right, so it's a 1077. 1077, that's what a street tire does. 1077 at 125 miles per hour. That is what a street tire does. So there you go. A 1077. So I think street tire versus street tire, like the quickest street tire Z06s that I've seen that have run in this kind of DA or harder have typically always run like 10.8s, 10.9s for the most part. So this is quicker. Obviously there's a guy out there on street tires when it was negative 1200 DA with perfect track spec and all that crap. He went like, you know, 10.3 or something, I don't know, 10.2, I can't remember, you know, which is all possible once again if you just get the most perfect conditions ever. But I don't have the most perfect conditions ever. You know, it just is what it is. It's a normal day, you just come to the track. 1077, that's not bad. So on street tires at a drag strip, this thing is a 10.7 car. I mean, that's not bad. And obviously there's things I could do to optimize it, make it even better. Let's say I had carbon fiber wheels, which I don't. That's even lighter, I would go even quicker. Probably even 10.6, so it's not far off from the drag radial. Drag radial only helped me like a 10th, you know? So that's actually not bad at all. So I'm cool with that. I'm definitely cool with that. So there you go, guys and girls. For all who wanted to know what a C8 eRay can do at a drag strip on street tires on all 4 corners. These are the stock street tires that come with the car. The Pilot, Sport, 4S's, all 4 corners, stock wheels, not aftermarket wheels, stock everything, stock to the T. On a warm night, right? It's like 74 degrees outside right now. You know, not hot, but not cold, right? So it's not a perfect DA night, right? So just a normal American night, right? It went 10.77 at 125 miles per hour. That's what it did on 93 octane. No additive, no fuel, octane boosters, nothing. No race fuel, nothing. I didn't do anything to this car tonight, today, nothing. All I did was run quarter mile, all stuff earlier today, which was in, you know, the other video or the earlier video, or I don't know how I'm gonna cut this thing up. You'll see. This could be a standalone video or not. Obviously, you can tell I'm not a real YouTuber. I just do stuff off the whip, off the cuff. But for what it is, on street tires, it's not bad. 161, 16 whatever, 60 foot. I mean, it's not bad. I'll post the time slip somewhere at the end of this video or something like that, so you can all see exactly what it was. But it's not bad. So if you have an eRay, you can tell your friends that, hey, this is a 10.7 car on street tires the way it sits at the drag strip. I'm not gonna go testing it on the street to tell you what the quarter mile is on the street. I'm not gonna do that. On an airstrip, I'll probably do that at some point this year, which is airstrip, similar surface to a street, right? It's kind of a little bit, you know, not gonna be as sticky as a track and all that fun stuff. And we'll test it and see what it does on a draggy there. But right now, we're at a drag strip, we're doing it safe. 10.77, can't complain. That's not bad at all. So I'm happy with it. This eRay is an absolute monster, and it's proving it every single time I come to the track. Every time I do anything with it, it's showing you everything it's capable of. Great job, GM.